hate filming when there's other people in the room and they can hear me. My name is Andrea. I talk about all things makeup and fashion with a focus in ethics and sustainability. If you're interested, please subscribe. I'd love to have you be a part of this channel. Today's gonna be a weird video. I'm in the woods. I am in Pocahontas County. If I draw a little West Virginia here, it's gonna be like down in the southern part. And I'm gonna go hiking all day. And I decided that I was going to do a full face of makeup and see how it looked at the end of the day, because why not? My biggest goal while I'm in West Virginia is to just travel to all the state parks and see as much as I can, because it's gorgeous out here and it doesn't get enough credit for its beauty. I'm gonna go full on glam, as glam as I can get. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this hot mess, just keep watching. So I recently got, I forgot to finish decorating this. Look at this. The e.l.f. J Kissa palette. And I'm so excited to use this. These shades are absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at these. They're friggin' spectacular, and the shimmers in these are insane. I think I'm gonna use this, but I'm also gonna pull from this palette like I always do because it just has so many great shades in it. Let's just start with the base. I'm gonna try to go in with all the products I usually use and really see how they hold up to extreme weather. We're gonna do our best here because we're in the woods. This is backcountry. Alright, we're gonna start with our eyes. And this is gonna be a disaster because I can't see. But here we go. I actually got a new primer. Yeah, it's new to me. The e.l.f. Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer. We'll see how it holds up because my eyelids are super oily. I should have done my brows first, but do you hear these birds? They're fucking beautiful. I'll take it all the way up to the brow because we're doing a pretty intense smoky eye. I'm also gonna take it underneath my eye because I don't have concealer, so hopefully this will help a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows really quick and then we'll go to the eyes. By the way, I did prep my skin. I'm just wearing sunscreen and I will be reapplying sunscreen throughout the day, so it's gonna be a whole other thing we're adding to this. Okay, I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. palette. e.l.f. J Kissa, because there's this beautiful mac and cheese shade. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. Start with that. And this has a mirror. Oh, just fantastic. Fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blow out my crease. I think these birds are laughing at me. To get underneath the eye as well. I really should have actually, I'm not going to do that because I didn't do foundation yet. Yay. There's a kitty? Hold on. Man, back there was a cat. There's a green shade in here that I like. Jade. I'm going with that first with the fluffy brush again. Bring it in the inner corner too. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go in with that brown color and deepen the corners again. I'm gonna move on to the face now. Because I'm not sure what to do with my eyes. I wish this dog would stop barking. Okay, taking a sponge. So that's all I have. Wet n Wild Stick Foundation. I guess we're wearing foundation today. And I don't have a setting spray either, so this will be fun. Oh my god, there's so much noise! Let me tell you about this trick I'm doing with my powder. Instead of baking with it, you just press it in and keep pressing it, and it stays all day. I forgot I had cream contour. Okay. This video is a hot mess. Okay, cream contour, mostly done. Gonna set it with bronzer that is probably way too dark for me. Wet n Wild contour palette. Really bothering me that I didn't finish my eyes. Why didn't I do that? That was dumb. This palette's old anyway. Alright. Forgot to contour my neck. We're just gonna do bronzer. I'm trying to hurry because it's gonna get hot and I don't want to go hiking when it's boiling hot. I'm gonna clean up my contour a little bit. Okay, blush, Wet n Wild. Isn't cruelty free, but that's what we got, so. This is actually a highlighter, but it's so dark. I'm gonna use it as blush. It's gonna make it a little jutzy. And then highlights. The only thing I have is Cover FX Enhanced Drops. I thought since I'd be in the woods it'd be quiet, but it's not. Ah, the baby. Is he alive? Mm-hmm. Look what I have. Look at him. Oh god. Huh? Oh. This is a weird makeup video. I should do a makeup look based on Bert. Comment down below. Okay, focus me. Ah, what color do I want? Do I want gold? I think I want gold. Tiger eye. Should I do the snap thing? The snap thing where I'm like, and lashes. Even though, why would I be wearing lipstick? Because if we go anywhere, I'm gonna have to put a mask on anyway. I don't have setting spray, so I'm gonna spray alcohol on my face. It seems like a bad idea. Oh god, what'd I do? Okay, that's good enough. Okay, off to hiking. Check in on the makeup. What time is it? 10:20. So far so good. It's like, what? Like 80 degrees right now? It's not that bad. Cranberry Glades?
Black Mountain.
Black Mountain. Cranberry Glades later. Oh, Falls of Hills Creek. I don't know how my makeup looks. I think my eyeshadow still looks good. Right? I was gonna be hot. It's not. It's like maybe 85 degrees or something. I mean, I'm sweating a little bit. And it's coming off on my glasses. We're still golden, pony boy. Hiking since 10 o'clock?
No, 10 o'clock.
I can't see how my makeup looks at all. Can you tell me? It's like kind of creasing. I need a mirror. My eye makeup looks good, right? Okay. Wait, what time is it now? I need a time check. 1. So it's only been 4 hours. I'm still good for 4 hours. 2:52. I'm done hiking. So eyes, 100%. Looks pretty good.
Here's a mirror here.
That foundation did not hold up well. Like, I'm pretty cakey. Bronzer is good. Blush is decent. Eyebrows, fleeky AF. I can't get over these eyes. They're so... This gold color is absolute... just perfection. So I'd say this primer is a 10 out of 10. Okay, I'm finishing my outro in this very dark bathroom. It's dark. Yeah, overall, primer, good. Eyeshadow, good. Most of my other products, good. That e.l.f. concealer, bomb. That's at the end of this video. I got some amazing shots hiking, and if you want to follow more of me, check out my Instagram at Andrea. The link is in below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is the worst intro ever. Outro.